What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today we're gonna do a video that I've kind of been dreading to do because I truly don't want to know the answer to this because it's gonna hurt my soul and make me think I should have done something better with my money. But today we're gonna do how much it costs to build my C7 Corvette. Welcome to the vlog. Alright, so we're gonna start from the back and work our way to the front. I got my little trusty calculator right here to add everything up. So, starting with the back, the Lambo taillights, they cost me $600 to buy and then $0 to install. So let's go ahead and add 600 into there. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, plus this black spoiler, I bought this for $100 off a dude on Facebook Marketplace. So add 100 to 600, we're at $700 right now thus far. I installed it myself as well. All right, let's go with the AWE exhaust. That one cost me, I believe, $900. Yeah, the AWE exhaust cost $900 and then $0 to install. So we're gonna add 900 to all this. Damn, we're at 1600 already. AWE exhaust. All right. The Z06 scoops. Oh man, here we go. These Z06 scoops right here, I installed them myself. I did it off camera and I wish I would have recorded it, but I didn't. But these cost me, I believe, $250 to buy, $0 to install. We are at $1,850 so far. So far. We'll come back to the wheels, tires. Let's see here. All right, let's do the vinyl. So the vinyl on the mirrors, the hood, and the roof. All in all, I believe that cost me, if I'm not mistaken, he charged me, I think $500 for it all. So we'll just add 500 to this. Damn, we're already at $2,350. It's not looking good for us, boys. Not looking good at all. All right. So we've done vinyl. Next. Let's do the wheels. So the wheels, this is gonna be a big one right here. The wheels cost me, I want to say $2,000 altogether. So $2,000 for the wheels. So they were actually $1,600 for the wheels, but then I wanted them powder coated, this laser bronze color right here. So that added an extra $100 per wheel. So all in all, it came out to about $2,000. So this is gonna double what our car's worth really quickly. 2,000. Damn, so we're at $4,350. That's a big one. That was a big one. All right. Now let's do tires. That's just the wheels. We didn't do the tires. So the tires, the two Netto NT05s, those cost me $700. Those are just the rear tires. So we're gonna add 700 to it. We're at $5,050 right now, and then the front, the Continentals, those cost me about $500. So we're at $5,550. Jesus fucking Christ. All right, keep it going. The side skirts, these were super cheap eBay side skirts. They cost me $200, and I installed them myself. $5,750 thus far. About to jump into another big one, boys. So let's go ahead and pop the hood for this. Actually, hold on, we missed something in the back real quick. The black Corvette emblems, those cost me $50 front and rear, so we'll add 50 to this. $5,800 thus far. It's going crazy right now. I'm not liking this. This could have been spent somewhere else. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh man. All right. Popping the hood. All right, here goes another nasty one. So, American Racing 2-inch headers. You can see them in there. See if I can zoom in for you. Yeah, little American Racing 2-inch headers and X pipe. That cost me $2,300. So we're gonna add that to this. Damn, we're at $8,100 right now. I'm not liking this at all. This is horrible. AFE cold air intake. That was another $400. Damn, $400 for that. I think that's everything under the hood so far. We got everything on the exterior. I think we're good. Is that everything? Let's see. Oh, we missed the front lip. All right, so Extreme Online Store front lip and grill, actually, and the grill. So the grill cost me $200. So now we're at $8,700, and then the front lip, all in all, I believe that cost me altogether. Let me look on their website real quick. I was gonna say $800. I think it was around $800. So we'll go 800. Woo! $9,500 into this fucking car, and we're almost done. So, going inside, there's really not much we've done on the inside, but this Solar Performance throttle controller did cost me another $200. And then lastly, to tune this car, so we're at $9,700. And then lastly, to tune this car, it cost me $500. So, to build my car, how it is exactly right now, it cost me $10,200. There you go. So, number one thing, I don't advise anyone to modify their car because it is somewhat of a headache. Just know that when you modify your car, shit's gonna break. It's gonna break regardless. Like, things are gonna go wrong with your car that never went wrong before, and you gotta adjust to it. The best way, this number right here, so $10,200, it could be almost double if I had not done the labor myself. But since I did a lot of the labor myself, that saved me a ton of moolah. Wasn't a lot, or it's a lot, but it's still a lot just to buy those parts. So just remember that if you can do the labor yourself, definitely fucking do it yourself. And I got lots of tutorial videos on my channel about most of the things that I've done on this car, so you can learn and do exactly all this by yourself. You don't have to pay somebody exactly what you bought the piece for just to install it. You don't have to do that shit. It's simple. Don't be afraid. Just get a wrench, go after it. You'll be fine. But also, just know that, like, modifying your car, a lot of people have this fucking weird myth that modifying the car and then trying to sell it, like, the car's gonna go up in value. That's not true. When you modify your car loses a shit ton of value. It's best to keep it stock as fuck and low mileage. If you don't do those two things, your car's gonna decrease in value, and then most cars decrease in value anyway. This car is kind of weird. At first it decreased, and then when COVID and the pandemic hit, it increased in value. So right now, I mean, this car is probably worth more than it actually is worth. So if I sold it, now would be a good time to sell it. However, I'm never probably gonna sell this car unless I have to for some crazy ass reason, but that's not the plan. But yeah, just know that when you modify your car, your shit's losing value. So it's not a financial gain or incentive to add all these parts to your car. If you're gonna do it, just know you're doing it purely for yourself, and you're doing it because you want your car to look exactly how you want it to look, okay? But yeah, I thought I would share this video with you guys so you guys kind of get an idea. Like, this shit it's not cheap, it's not none of that. So just don't think you're just gonna buy this car or buy any car and just be able to throw a bunch of parts on it off a rip. Like, doing all these modifications, it took time, it took saving money, it took, you know, waiting too, patience. You know, I didn't just buy all these parts and just start adding them on. Like, it took over years of all this to be added onto my car. So that's one thing to know. Unless you got money like that where you could just swipe the thing for fucking 15K and get it all done, go for it. But if you don't, just know it's gonna take time. Don't rush into it. Is there anything else I wanted to add? No, I don't think so. It's kind of a wake-up call though, you know. I think it's worth it. I really like how it looks now, and I wouldn't change anything else about it. So if this is your first time coming through to my channel, thank you for coming. If you could, it would do me a huge favor if you hit the subscribe button. That definitely helps out, and then you can check out all my other videos that I upload whenever they get uploaded. But until next time, guys, Lee Vlogs out.